Hi there, hope you had a great Thanksgiving with your family and bought a lot of great stuff from Black Friday sale. Today I made this Thai Tum Yum Soup, which is another great soup dish for this cold winter season. Hope you enjoy it. As always, we're going to start with prep work for the ingredients required for the soup. They are available at most Asian stores. In terms of the vegetables, you can put in onion or mushrooms of your choice, like oyster mushroom, shiitake mushrooms, or just regular mushrooms you can get. To complete the final prep work, we're going to squeeze some lime juice and prepare some fish sauce and tamarind juice. In terms of the protein, we're going to add in the Tum Yum Soup. Today I'm using head-on shrimps. The reason being is because I want to be able to use the shrimp head and the shell to create a umami flavor in the soup, which is used as the soup base for the Tum Yum Soup. Basically, to create this umami flavor in the broth, simply boil the broth for about 5 minutes. Remove the shrimp head and shell from the broth. Add in the ingredients we have here. Continue simmering for another 5 minutes or so. Now the broth is ready, simply add in the vegetables to cook. As soon as the broth starts boiling again, we're going to add in the shrimp. Simply shut off the heat so you do not overcook the shrimp. Finally, adjust the flavor with the seasonings and the sauce we have here. There you have it. The soup is hot and sour, just perfect for cold winter. The full recipe is in my bio link. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.